Hi, welcome to Economics with Jihan. My name is Jihan and welcome to my daily e-commerce blog. Today I am working on Shopify. My task is to link up product description, create a bundle product for my client and also design a bundle image using Canva. So let's start the video and please stay with me till the end. So, this is my client online store and he already uploaded the product in this store. And my work is I need to add part name in this description and add internal name. So, first I need part name. My client provided me a sheet. Here is the sheet and here is the part name and also the product SKU. I need to copy the SKU and finding the product on my client store. So let's just start the work. First, I need to copy the part name using copy paste extension. Okay. Then I need to copy the part name and go to ChatGPT for reassemble this. Already I commanded ChatGPT for reassemble. Now I need to copy the part name and place it in my online store. Now I need to add the name in this place. So I press the enter and go to the sheet. Here is the name. So I need to copy it and go to convert case and paste this, create uppercase formation and copy this. Then I put it and paste this in my client store and the formation heading 4 and the part name heading 5. Now it's looking good. I need to press enter and go to the sheet. Okay, here is the second part, not included table kit. So I need to copy it, go to the convert case, same formation. Okay, now I need to again copy the part name in this place. So I am again using copy paste extension, copy this and go to the chat GPT and reassemble the part name. Okay, I copy this and go to my client store. Okay, here is the same formation. Now I need to add internal link. I go to the sheet and copy the part link and go to my client store. They are already uploaded the part. Here is the part. I need to copy the link. Then I select the part name and insert link. Then I paste the link, select a new Windows and insert link. So I need to do all the part name and internal link. I finished at internal link and I need to remove the extra part name. Okay, my work is done. So next I need a image using Canva. So let's go to create a image. So I need to search Canva, then create a specific size, go to custom size and create a specific size. Now I need to download the product image. So first I save the product and press the view. Now I need to click the button. Here is the image. I just copy the image and paste here. Then next, and this is my last part. So copy the image, paste here. I need to assemble and redesign it. So let's start right here and here And here I need to remove background. And here now it's look like good. Then I need to set this image, download, and go to my client store and upload the image. Okay, then set the product. Press the view button. Bingo, my product is ready. This is my bundle product, and here is the part name. When a customer click the part name, they go to the original part. So this is my today work. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you. Bye bye.